Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about free online mock test question paper discussion part 3 which had conducted on 15th July 2020 6 pm to 10 pm. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. Name of the world's first cloned buffalo calf is A. Samruba, B. Dolly, C. Prometheus, D. None of these. Here answer is A. Samruba. Dolly is first cloned sheep. Prometheus is the first cloned horse. Prohibition of cow slaughter is related to Article 41, B. Article 40, C. Article 43, D. Article 48. Which is the answer? Here answer is D. Article 48. Don't forget to enroll for free online mock test series of FSO, FSSAI, Food Analyst, Food SI exams by logging on to www.microbiologytutor.com. Total number of sacral bones in cattle. A. 1, B. 6, C. 4, D. 5. Which is the answer? Here answer is D. 5. Bovine male castrated prior to puberty. A. Heifer, B. Steer, C. Bull, D. None of these. Which one is the answer? Here answer is B. Steer. Bovine male castrated prior to puberty is known as steer. Bull means bovine male, usually denotes animals of breeding age. Steer, bovine male castrated prior to puberty. Cow, sexually mature female bovine animal that has usually produced a calf that is known as cow. Young female bovine cow prior to the time that she has produced her first calf is known as heifer. Young female or male bovine animal under 1 year of age is known as calf. Which part is known as true stomach in ruminants? A. Rumen, B. Reticulum, C. Abomasum, D. Omasum. Which one is the answer? Here answer is C. Abomasum. Abomasum is known as true stomach. Ramanathapuram white is the breed of cow, B. Buffalo, C. Sheep, D. Goat. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Sheep. Ramanathapuram white is a sheep. Maximum wool producing country is A. Australia, B. Canada, C. Cuba, D. Spain. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Australia. India's contribution to the world total milk production. A. 23%, B. 20%, C. 8%, D. 13%. Which one is the answer? Here answer is B. 20%. Milk ring test is used to detect bovine TB, B. brucellosis, C. scrapie, D. none of these. Which one is the answer? Here answer is B. brucellosis. Milk ring test is used to detect brucellosis. The most pathogenic Brucella species which can cause infection to man is A. Brucella ovis, B. Brucella canis, C. Brucella melitensis, D. Brucella suis. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Brucella melitensis. A positive result of a purple capsule around a blue bacillus of Mcfadden reaction is the presumptive test for A. Typhoid, B. Tetanus, C. Anthrax, D. TB. Here answer is C. Anthrax. Which among the following is known as diamond skin disease? Brucellosis, B. Erysipelas, C. TB, D. Anthrax. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Erysipelas is known as diamond skin disease. Which variety meat contains the highest level of cholesterol? Heart, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Tripe. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Liver. Which disease is known as tularemia? A. Hay fever, B. Parrot fever, C. TB, D. Rabbit fever. Which one is the answer? Here answer is D. Rabbit fever. Rabbit fever is known as tularemia. Beef tapeworm is Taenia solium, B. Taenia saginata, C. Taenia asiatica, D. Fasciola hepatica. Which one is the answer? Here answer is B. Taenia saginata is known as beef tapeworm. Don't forget to enroll for free online mock test series of FSO, FSSAI, Food Analyst, Food SI exams by logging on to www.microbiologytutor.com. Larva of Taenia solium. A. Cysticercus bovis, B. Cysticercus cellulose, C. Wriggler, D. Rhodotorula. Which one is the answer? Here answer is B. Cysticercus cellulose is the larva of Taenia solium. Larva of Taenia saginata. A. Cysticercus bovis, B. Cysticercus cellulose, C. Wriggler, D. Rhodotorula. Here answer is A. Cysticercus bovis is the larva of Taenia saginata. Wriggler is the larva of mosquito. Which animal is popularly called the black gold of India? A. Murrah buffalo, B. Vechur cow, C. Sahiwal, D. Nellore. Which is the answer? Here answer is A. Murrah buffalo is known as black gold of India. Smallest cattle breed in the world. Murrah, B. Vechur, C. Sahiwal, D. Nellore. Which is the answer? Here answer is B. Vechur is the smallest cattle breed in the world. Offspring of a male horse and a female donkey is known as A. Mule, B. Mare, C. Hinny, D. None of these. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Hinny. Hinny is the offspring of male horse and a female donkey. Offspring of a male donkey and a female horse is known as mule, B. Mare, C. Hinny, D. None of these. Here answer is A. A hybrid animal of a cross between cattle and a buffalo. A. Bison, B. Beefalo, C. Mare, D. Stallion. Which one is the answer? Here answer is B. Beefalo. Hybrid animal of a cross between cattle and buffalo is known as beefalo. The major food carriers of salmonellosis are A. Meat and fish, B. Eggs and fish, C. Eggs and fruits, D. Meat and eggs. Here answer is D. Meat and eggs. Which of the following is considered an easily digestible source of protein? A. Egg albumin, B. Red meat, C. Soybean, D. Fish. Which is the answer? Here answer is C. Soybean. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications.